Namaste students. Today in this video I am going to explain what is recognizing dignity. So what is dignity? Students, dignity is the quality of being worthy of honor or respect. So what is honor or respect? So let's see here. We have already read that the religion, caste background and gender are often the things that determine why some people are treated unequally. We have already read two stories. One is Om Prakash Balmiki and another is Ansari. We have got that Om Prakash Balmiki, he was the writer, the autobiography of Jothan, and who was the famous Dalit writer. And his autobiography talks about what he experience of growing up as a Dalit boy, and he was being treated unequally. Where he was treated unequally? In the school by his teacher. And he what done in the school? He was made to sweep the school while other students were studying. And in the case of Ansari, what we have discussed, the Ansari were Muslim and are also being treated unequally. Why treated unequally? Because they are Muslim and many people refuse to rent them. Why? Because they are Muslim. That is why the landlady and the apartment owner, they refuse to rent them a flat because of their different religion. So they were also exploited people. So here see, when people are treated unequally, their dignity is violated. So dignity means our self-respect or honor, which is treated unequally, then we feel that our dignity is violated. So dignity of both Om Prakash and Ansari was violated because of the way in which they were treated. By picking on him and making him sweep the school because of his caste, we see Om Prakash was the lower caste. He was from the Dalit family. That is why that teacher, school teacher, so making him sweep the school because his caste is Dalit, and Om Prakash Balmiki's schoolmates and teacher hurt his dignity badly. Because when other student was studying, then Om Prakash Balmiki was doing sweep the and cleanness the floor and the playground. So in this way, Om Prakash Balmiki's dignity was violated. So next see. Again see here. So Om Prakash Balmiki could do very little about the situation that he was in. It was his father who, on seeing his son sweep, felt angry by this unequal treatment and confronted the teacher. So when Om Prakash Balmiki, during his school period, when he was sweeping and cleaning the playground, as soon as his father seeing him and felt angry and come to the principal room, and what see, the Ansari dignity was also hurt, and when person refused to lease their apartment to them. So when Ansari, Mr. and Mr. Ansari were gone to the apartment to take a room, so at that time they were coming from the different religion. That is why the landlady refused to give them the rent. So at that time their dignity also violated. So here, however, when the property dealer suggested that they changed their name, and it was their dignity or self-respect that made them refuse to suggestion. So here what we got, Om Prakash and Ansari do not deserve to be treated like this. They deserve the same respect and dignity as anyone else. Means according on the depending on the caste, religion and class background, sometimes the people are treated unequally, and that is why our dignity sometimes what happen, dignity sometimes our violated. So this is known as the recognizing dignity. So student, I hope you understand. So again see, here one thing is given. If you were one of the answeree, how would you have respond to the suggestions that you sense your name? So when Mr. Ansari unable to get the room or to rent because of their religion, so when the property dealer said that you should change your name, so if this happen on you, what will do? So here I think if I was in place, or if you in the place of Ansari, you would have refused to change your name, and as changing your identity will hurt your dignity. So again it is said that, can you think of an incident in your life in which your dignity was violated? How did this make you feel? Definitely you will feel very bad. So what will think, you just tell me in the